Taking a look at question number 3, this right here, the +3, that's going to mean move to the left 3. The -2 means to move down 2. And taking a look here, the transformation that we see is that we're going to start here in the middle. We're going to go 1, 2, 3 to the left, down 2. There were no other transformations, so we know immediately that we just open upward. Now, I forgot to do this in the last video, but the vertex right here, again, vertex, we can see it's a -x, so -3, because that's the number that's with the x position, and it's a negative on the y, so our vertex is -3, -2. Now, I'm going to go ahead and slide over here to problem 4, and taking a look at problem number 4, this 1/2 right here, this is going to be a vertical shrink, and it's a vertical shrink by 2. The reason it's by 2 is because that is our 2 right there, and then this 1 is just taking place of the reciprocal, basically, of 2. Excuse me. Right here, this -6, well, let's see, that means that we're going to end up moving to the right 6 units, and then this +2 right here is going to mean that we move up 2. So taking our cue here, so we see that we're going to start right here in the center. We're going to end up moving to the right 6, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then up 2, 1, 2. I'm going to put a little dot right there now. This shrink by 2 means that normally I would draw my parabolas about something like this. That's like my usual drawing. But I need to shrink it by 2, which means this needs to actually go out wider than I would normally draw it. And I'm actually going off the recording screen here, but you can see just how wide that normally is compared to what I usually do, because usually I draw something just kind of, straight up like this. So definitely wanted to make sure that I shrink it down. And then the vertex for this particular problem, again, it's right here in the middle. And for the vertex, again, I can just go straight to this right here. Here's my x, but remember, the x is going to have an opposite sign of what you see in the equation. And then I see a +2, so I come over here and put a 2, and there is my vertex.